how to show bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show the bookmarks bar here on Google Chrome in easy fast way. So first thing you do is you go to your Google Chrome, of course, and now you need to choose and click on those three dots in the up corner. Click on them like that and then go to bookmarks, this option here, and click on show bookmarks bar here. And as you can see, now we have this bar here. Let's just try something. Let's write Yahoo. I don't have connection right now, but I will show you. You can save anything here with easy and fast way. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.